You're teaching an online course and you're using your bathroom tiles as a makeshift whiteboard to brainstorm ideas. The only problem is you can't have students come up to the board to participate, and you really can't save your whiteboard ideas. Or can you? New technologies open digital doors. Let's find a better way together. Here I am in the Microsoft Whiteboard app, which can be downloaded for free. Let's pretend that I'm going to brainstorm an idea with some students. I'll select Create New Whiteboard. Now, notice how there are pens on the left-hand side. I'll just select a pen right now to show that I can just use that to write. At the top right corner, there is a button with 3 lines. Let's select that, and let's turn on Ink to Shape and Ink to Table. Ink to Shape is going to correct any shape that I draw that is even a little bit inaccurate. For instance, if I draw a circle, it'll fix it, and if I draw a rectangle, it will fix my rectangle as well. I can take it one step further and use Ink to Table by drawing a line in the middle of the rectangle, which creates a table with 2 cells. And the plus buttons will allow me to add a second column to my table. Notice how the table is going to expand as I start to write. If I select a template and then I select brainstorming, other collaborators can write ideas on sticky notes that are shown here, as well as add to our agenda or our follow-ups. To invite collaborators, I'll select this blue button at the top, which says Invite Someone. And then I'm going to turn Web Sharing Link on. And that creates a link, and whoever uses that link can collaborate with me in real time.